that pretty long start with the lawnmower blade. To have that pretty nice cut, you need to have a sharp lawnmower blade. I have visited a lot of lawns where the grass looked kind of cut, jagged like, because the lawnmower blade wasn't sharp. You need to sharpen that blade at least twice during the growing season. Take it off the lawnmower, take it to your hardware store and get it sharp. One of the things you need to make sure you do now, when you get that lawnmower blade sharp, and make sure that you know how to go back on there. So put your small little mark on that lawnmower blade for you to know how that blade came off the lawnmower. Another thing you need to do, make sure you unplug the spark plug when you're working on the lawnmower, because you don't want to have no accident. Twice during the growing season, have that blade sharp.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.